Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 8. This week, we're going to talk about health communication. Really simple in regards to some of the stuff that is in this chapter. I think you're going to get a lot out of it, too. There is a lecture, of course, it's 15 minutes long, but the importance of health communication, how we communicate with patients, is essential to providing the care they deserve and need. So, from that perspective, you have an empathy video to also watch, which I think is really good. It's very telling about how we should treat others. And then you do have this week board that's due in health communication. Remember, one post by Wednesday at midnight, and your reply Sunday end of day, but no homework. We're transitioning to, after this week, we have our APA research paper and presentation that's due. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to reading your papers that are going to, of course, be due after this week. After this week 8 material, it'll be in week 9. But I'm looking forward to those, and I'm looking forward to some awesome discussion posts for health communication. Questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, if you have issues with formatting for APA, I'm more than happy to help you with that. Reach out via email anytime. We can also set up a time to do a Zoom call if needed. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of the week. And this, of course, is one day early. So if you want to get started quicker, that's totally fine as well. Thanks so much.